Hola Mzansi. Welcome to the soccer YouTube channel that will bring you soccer update the way you want them to be. So, Bafetsu, the PSG goalkeeper, has suffered a horrific tackle by the Monaco defender. Okenyalukli, Donnarumma has reportedly required up to 10 stitches after suffering a serious facial injury on December 18. The Paris Saint-Germain goalkeeper, who took the very work on the face after the starts-up collusion by the Monaco's Wilfried Singo. Singo was surprisingly not even shown a yellow card as Donnarumma walked off the pitch just after 25 minutes to get treatment. Ligue 1 was on Wednesday evening treated a horrific scene after a dangerous tackle that left Gianluigi Donnarumma with deep cuts on his face. The Paris Saint-Germain goalkeeper was on the receiving end of the tackle from Wilfried Singo during his size game against Monaco at the Stade Louis in Fontville. Singo stepped onto Donnarumma's face after the Italian goalkeeper parried away his attempt on goal. Donnarumma received treatment on the feet, but his facial injuries were too serious for him to continue. Matvei Safonov replaced him in the 25th minute. What do you have to say about this? Please place your view on the comment section. I will see you on the next video.